We are trapped on this world. The Avatar of Cain has fallen. Go, all of you. Find what refuge you can in the wilderness of this world.
Escape is still possible, Farseer.
I do not deserve that title, Harlequin. My vision has failed us all. My fate is here, and I shall not flee from it.
The Blood Ravens had suffered Eldar trickery on Tartarus and Rahe's paradise not long before their arrival on Cronus. In Tyria, they avenged their fallen battle brothers with alien blood. By sealing the Eldar Farseer Taldeer's webway portals, they blocked any possibility of her escape. What followed was a careful hunt for every last alien in Tyria, culminating in the death of Taldeer herself. The chapter's librarians, for their part, spent much of the aftermath of the battle studying the remains of the fearsome demon summoned up by the Eldar. This so-called Avatar of Cain, the savage incarnation of a blasphemous alien god, crumbled into inert matter at the battle's apex. Epistolary Antaeus, senior librarian on Cronus, made sure that each piece was collected, catalogued, and shipped back to the chapter librarium. In later years, this would cause the Blood Ravens no small amount of trouble.
Under fire!
Terminators ready. Where do you need us most? The Emperor's finest reporting. The Emperor's finest Reporting. We await your command.
I await your instructions. As you wish.
The Emperor's finest.
What is your will? What is your will?
I command in the name of the Emperor. Walk softly and carry a big gun. Taking command. Confirm.
What is your will?
For Terra. Follow me into battle! Look to your war gear! Agreed. For Terra. For the honor of the chapter. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. For the Emperor! Shall not falter. I serve mankind. For the Emperor!
Praise the Emperor and strike down his foes.
Praise the Emperor.
Attacking.
My aim shall not falter!